Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to the online classes. Myself Rafaqat Ali. Today's topic is about equation with the letter terms on both sides. And this topic is in the chapter number 18, exercise 18H. This is the second part of this exercise. In the previous lesson we studied from 1 to 16. Now this is 17 to 46 is your homework for the today's work. Page number 274, you can find out this all details on page number 274. The first thing, we will start from the lecture and we will revise the previous topic first, and then we will come towards the question number 17 to 46 onwards. So let's start. Today the date is 24 March 2020. This is the example. 5x plus 2 equal to x plus 9. Very simple. You will bring this 2x to the other side and plus 2 to the other side. So you can see now 5x minus 2x equal 9 minus 2. 5x minus 2x equal 3x, and 9 minus 2 equals 7. When you bring this 3 to the other side, it will divide. Now it is the improper fraction. Convert this improper fraction into the mixed number. You can see here this is converted to the mixed number. Question number 1, 3x plus 4 equal to x plus 8. What you will do now? Bring 2x to the other side and 4 to the other side. 3x minus 2x, and this 4 come to the other side with 8. It will be, this 4 come to the other side, it will be minus 4. So 3x minus 2x equal 8 minus 4. X is equals to 4. Now question number 6. 6z plus 4 equal to z plus 1. Now you will bring this 2z to the other side and 4 to the other side. 6z minus 2z equal 1 minus 4. Now you can see here 1 minus 4. The answer will be minus 3. Why? Because 4 is the bigger value. Now 4z equal minus 3 and z will be 3 over 4. Question number 12. 24 minus 2x equal 5x plus 3. 5x comes here and minus 2 comes here. This 3 comes here to become minus 3, and this 2x comes here to become plus 2x. So now 24 minus 3 equal 5x plus 2x. It is 21 equals 7x. 21 over 7 equal 3. Now question number 17. 5 minus x equal 1 minus x. When you bring this 3x to the other side, it will become positive. When you bring this 1 to the other side, it will become negative. 5 minus 1 equal minus x plus 3x. Minus x plus 3x will be 2x. 4 equal 2x, and 4 over 2 equal 2. Question number 29. Now what you will do now? Bring this 4x to the other side and 3 to the other side of the equation. It will be 13 plus 3 and 4x plus 4x. 13 plus 3 equals 16, and 4x plus 4x equal 8. 16 equal 8. Now 16 divided by 8 equal 2. The value of x is equals to 2. Next question, this is the last question, question number 46. 4 minus 3x equals 0. When you bring this 3 to the other side, it will become positive. So now 4x is equals to 3x. This 3 comes down. What will happen? It will divide with 4. 4 over 3. Now this is the improper fraction. You have to convert this improper fraction into the mixed number. Stay home, stay safe, take care, see you soon inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.